Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mustang, the S197, and how to change your air filter. So you're going to pop open your hood, and my particular Mustang is the 2012 V6 Mustang with the 3.7 liter engine, and the air filter is right here. And to remove the box, you're going to disconnect the wiring right here. And it's pretty easy to disconnect. You just push this tabbing back and it pulls right out. And then we're going to loosen this clamp. And then you just pull it back. Next, you're going to unclip these two retainer clips. Just push them back. And then there are a few tabbings right here. So you're going to just pull the box this way, then lift it out. Back and then lift. And now we have access to our air filter. And as you guys can see, this Mustang really needs an air filter change. This thing is very filthy and it looks like it hasn't been changed in years. So at this time, with the filter out, I would recommend you guys to just vacuum all the debris and garbage out of here. It will just make the breathing for your car that much better. And then if you don't have the air filter right now, or you're not looking to change it at the moment, you can just dust this off and again brush it and vacuum it, and it's going to be a lot better than it is right now. But if you guys are looking for a replacement, I will have links to them down below in my description box for your S197 Mustang. And the installation is pretty easy. Once you have your new air filter, you're just going to put it into place. It's only going to go in one way. Make sure it's seated correctly, and then you're going to hook up the tabs on this side first, like this. Make sure this is out of the way, and then you're going to push it down. And then if your box is aligned properly, these retainer clips are going to go on pretty easy, just like that. And then reconnect your air duct and then tighten it up, and that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to change or clean out your air filter on your Mustang S197. And if you guys want to see more videos on the S197 and my other vehicles, please make sure to subscribe to MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.